What's going on, everyone? Today's the 25th of July, 2023. Real quick, we're going to talk about Bitcoin because the recent price swings in Bitcoin is letting me know that this may be a cause of concern for our price prediction. You guys can tell that I have a price prediction on the chart right now for Bitcoin, and my idea has been ever since July the 2nd for Bitcoin to go higher. Yeah, I've been looking for the market in Bitcoin to go up in price, and there's a couple of things on this price chart that would tell us that is becoming less and less likely. So let's go ahead and talk about it, because I did an update video in Bitcoin on July the 19th. Okay, so this is where the price was when I did the price prediction in Bitcoin. This is where the market was trading, and I said I wasn't going to let this prediction go. I was going to give the market a little bit more time to see whether or not the buyers were going to show up and push this market back up towards that $32,000 price. Okay, because prior to the 19th of July, we've already seen some things occur that would let us know that this market in Bitcoin is getting weaker. Right here's the first one. Right there on July the 6th, we received an indicator of weakness there. And then we received a second one on the 14th of July. Okay, so these two indicators right now was already indicating that price in Bitcoin was no longer becoming bullish and that is becoming weaker. On top of Bitcoin's price inability to break above $32,000, that as well was also plaguing our price prediction. And then we have this day, yesterday, price action in Bitcoin. The market actually went lower. So we're definitely in the phase of seeing weakness occurring to the market in Bitcoin. Now, I'm going to look at the market in a different time frame, because if it looks like it's going to continue, then there's no need for us to continue to look forward for Bitcoin to go up. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So first thing we're going to do is look at Bitcoin on the 2-day chart. Okay, so we have 13 hours and 7 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar. You guys can tell, yes, we're trending to the downside ever so slightly. Okay, now that first target for me for Bitcoin would be here around 28,450. That would be my first target. My second target would be around 28,000. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this there, because this would be my first target, just for a reference point. Let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin on a 3-day chart. Okay, you guys can see, yes, the market currently is still weak there. Here it is on the 5-day time frame. We're beginning a new 5-day price bar. So this is the completed one. And you guys can see from the price action over the last 5 days, price did attempt to go higher. We give the market credit where credit's due, but they just couldn't sustain it. Price ended closing on the low end of the price bar. Here is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. These weekly price bars here, like I was telling you earlier, is confirming that the price is weak and that buyers are not necessarily coming in. They cannot overcome the selling over the last 3 weeks right here on these 3 weekly price bars. Okay, that's a problem. Bitcoin on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3. And I will say at the end of this week, in the next 5 days and 14 hours, the market in Bitcoin looks the way that it looks now. We still have some weakness to go through. Now, it's not necessarily looking that bearish though. Okay, so let me put that out there as well. The market in Bitcoin, it doesn't look bearish like a crash is about to occur. It's just simply losing steam. So it needs to rebuild, replenish that steam, that pressure, to allow the market in Bitcoin to break above $32,000. So I think that's the process that the market currently is on in Bitcoin as of this moment. Okay, here it is on the 330-minute chart. Guys can see, yes, that currently price is still harnessing some weakness. Here it is on the 7. Now this is where buyers for the moment is coming in and buying this particular crypto, Bitcoin. This is where the buyers are currently here. Let's look at this on the 15. Okay, so this even gives me more credence that the overall price in Bitcoin is still weak on this 15-hour price bar. So currently, yes, market is being supported here at $29,000, but I don't think that it's going to last too much longer. So we're going to have to continue to expect price in Bitcoin to go lower. So let me go ahead and do this real quick and I'll let you all go. So if we were to get out the market now in Bitcoin, we will be down 4.5%. Let's hit this back on the daily time frame though. And we're going to look for the market in Bitcoin to go lower. And that first target was right there around 28,450, 460. That is 2.5% there. Second target is going to be 28,000, which is 4.17%. And if the market in Bitcoin continues to be weak outside of these two targets that I'm looking forward to, then we'll have to look forward to price in Bitcoin to come down to this trend line, or around $27,200. Okay. And that is my price prediction. I am finished. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Give me your targets as to where you're looking for Bitcoin to go for the next couple of days. These are my two targets. First one is around 28,460. Second is 28,000. Third is 27,182 or so, give or take. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.